Hey guys, Ikarlene here, back in my beauty space, and honestly speaking, I didn't plan to do a clean with me and declutter, but this is what we're gonna do today. So sit back, get a snack, get a drink, and yeah, you're gonna see the madness that goes on inside this little space that I call my beauty room. Hey, so back home, and I don't know if I mentioned this, I am on vacation, but I need to start this vacation, right? I have some things to throw out that I've been pushing back for a while, and now that I actually have the time, I think I really should like make the effort. So I'm going to first and foremost clean like my makeup vanity because it's looking cute. I mean, I'm gonna just yeah yeah, this has been what my makeup vanity has been looking like, you know, leading up to me being on vacation. So I need to like clean it up. I got this new toner from Good Molecules. They sent this to me in PR, so I really need to try that, but I should hold on to this so I could, know what's what. So I need to like put these brushes to wash and like seriously clean up. Oh my gosh, And then this is the worst part, y'all gonna find this is really bad. So ever since I got my vanity in the back, I really have not been storing much in these desks. Yes, I need to paint over. I really need to do that. But I've been storing crap in here. So look. And these get worse. And I really need to like throw it out because I have to clean and paint over the desk. So I just have like a bunch of empty packaging in here. I don't know why. Like, explain to me why I need to keep the boxes of stuff that I've already used or in use. Explain to me why. So I am going to empty these out because there really is no reason for me to keep all that rubbish. I could actually put new products in there, like take off the stuff off these shelves, dust, paint, and reorganize, because I haven't done that since I've been here, and I really need to. And then some of these boxes I just want to get rid of, not my Louis boxes, but some of these other boxes, like I don't know, but yeah. So I really need to like organize. And then I have crap up there in this corner. Like, why? Explain to me why I have that Anastasia box. It's doing absolutely nothing, but it's there. Why? So yeah, so I'm going to try and organize and clean this madness. Alright, let me, oh Lord. Alright, I'm going to wash these out and clean them. I don't know why. Like, why am I doing this? Oh, that's not good. This is what I like, I'm just happy to see. This is not quite right. I use, this is some. Yeah, I like this. Oh, cool. I use some, actually, I think that's something else. Yeah, so I'm just like, oh gosh. Explain to me why. Explain to me why I have all kind of packaging here. Like, yo, what's this? Look, oh, okay. Well, I'll hold on to this. This is a Christmas card. Let's see. Do I have any other? No. All of this is from PR, but I could throw these out. Oh gosh. Like, explain to me why. Oh, Oh, you know what? We're gonna do something. I'll put the box in the box. It never happens. It never happens. And empty boxes. Archie, what are you doing? What are you doing? I was like, I'll hold on to these. These are so cute. Why? Why? Archie, you need to go. Go. Come on. Archie. Archie. Come on. Bassett, what you looking for, bro? It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. No. Come on out. Come on out. Archie. You helping me? Come. You gotta come out if you're helping me. Come on. Archie. Like for real, for real? This how we gonna do it? Is this how we doing it? Ah, I'm gonna move him. Alrighty, that produced 4 plastic bags of garbage. Like, wow. Whew. But I'm feeling much better. I needed to clear those drawers. The other drawers I definitely will have to tackle, but I think that would just, I mean, you'll get the idea of the crap I'm hoarding in the drawers, you know. So it's like I need to, like, when I buy my makeup and skincare and whatnot, you know, when I'm done with packaging, I just need to let it go, you know. So I'm going to take these out, to throw these out, because they really just served absolutely no purpose. They were taking up much needed space. So, you know, at least it will encourage me now to, like, refurbish my vanity, paint it, clean it, all that jazz, you know, and use it the way, you know, I should be using it, which is to store my products, not, you know, not this crap, you know.
I was in the
Alrighty, now I am going to deal with all of this. Yeah. Madness. Okay, so progress. Look how pretty that looks now. I know I had my perfumes in it, but perfume collection growing too much, y'all, and I want perfumes to be on this. It's a little too shaky for that, so yeah. Remember my little DIY there. These foundations I did not like, so I think I'm gonna get rid of them. You know, did not like them. I think I mentioned it in a previous video. I'll make sure to link it below. This one is the Huda stick foundation. This is the Beauty Blender foundation, and this is the Fenty. I did not like these, sorry, so I got rid of those. And the sponge, these brushes, oh, this lovely color. When she had her surgery, we had to put this on her. I had to put this away in the storeroom. I don't know why that there. Come on, lovely camera. I'm gonna put it up here so you wouldn't get bruised, right? So yeah, so I need to wash these. Those are gross. I gotta wash them bad boys. This candle is burnt out. Some needles are up. Leave it in the corner there. Taking time to organize my press-on nail collection. Why you out of sync, sis? These, I got these from Pennywise, right? I was tagged when they announced they were selling the Jelly Fantasy, the Kiss Jelly Fantasy nails, but unfortunately the 4 styles you see in the ad were the 4 styles I saw available at the Pennywise North Circular branch. They need to get like these styles that I have here that I've yet to use on vacation. So I'm gonna put on one of these bad boys after I deep clean my house. I don't want them suckers falling off. And yeah, well, I use this on my edges, so I need to, I think I could throw you away. This, oh god, in love with this. Let me see, I want to demonstrate. Listen, I don't need matches again. All right, and let me put away these lashes and these body washes. Yeah, I need to put you away. So I'm gonna try and organize this spot here now. Yeah. Alright, everything is where it needs to be for now. But yeah, you know, it's in draft. And I need to declutter this way. Now I need to spring back in the declutter. But yeah, things are in here. I need to put my on. But I need to cheap. Yeah. Yeah. So, all these are organized. Right. That's awesome. Yeah. Okay. And put something to let these things stick outside. That would be great. Oh, yeah. Let's see, you want to take something in here? Awesome. I think I can start. Because you. Nice. You lives. Let's see what else needs to go. Don't take these. See what's going. Hate that. Sorry, did I wrap it up? Get out of here. Don't have the knife. What is? Did I have that? So sure. There we go. I just grabbed some. Nice. Let's see. Is this original? Are you? Is this original? There it is. Right. This is all here. There you go. As well. This was horrendous. You as well. Alright, what do I do? Sorry, I don't like the illegal progress. Concealer. I'm not people. That's why I do what's this? That goes well. Alright, so that is it. Let's see. What's going on in the corner there? What's this? Oh, shut. Yo. Okay, let's see. Here we go. This go. Yeah, this go. This go. There's a lot of here. Yeah. This go as well. Here's an example of people. I'll show you because who's that? I have a different what's this? Yeah, drink out. That's anything to you. Alright, drink out. Drink out. Alright. Yeah. Ooh, that felt good. Ow, Archie. Arch, what are you doing? So yeah, decluttering all of these. These need to go. Go, go, go. Do I need to declutter anything in here? Let's see. Impromptu declutter dread. Like, yeah. It feels nice to get rid of all this stuff. Let me throw this away.
Many months later.
So here, so clearly we had an impromptu clean with me declutter. I didn't really expect to. I will definitely have to declutter my eyeshadow palettes, my lipsticks. How to do that? Kind of avoiding it, but I have time off, so maybe I should tackle that in another video. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that. Give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.